Good morning, children. Today we are going to make a portrait of a lady, an abstract portrait. Okay. For this we need a page from some newspaper or a magazine. It is exactly the shape of this page. My page is A4 size. Whatever the size of your page, just cut a piece of newspaper or a page from magazine of the same size. Okay. Now I am going to fold it vertically in halves. You see? I have folded it half. And I am going to draw an oval. Not too big, not too small. Okay? Now what we are going to do, I need to draw a line that divides this in two halves. Like this is the line. It shouldn't be very dark now. See? And again I will draw another line that divides this space in two halves. Now the point from this to this, it is our ear. Okay, hope you can see it. I am doing it with a sketch pen, so it is much visible. Okay, what I am going to do now, I will cut this portion out. Okay, now I have cut out the shape and pasted my sheet on this page. Okay, this is the shape for the face. Now there are some basic rules to draw a face that you must know. Line should be very light. Now this line, this is called eye line. It is dividing this shape into two parts, two halves. Now again, this line is dividing this portion in two halves. This is called the nose line. Now one more line that will divide this part in two halves. This is our lips line. Okay, and one more line I need that divides it vertically in two halves. Okay, one vertical line and three horizontal lines. Now I am going to draw the nose. As I already told, it is an abstract portrait. This is for the nose. Now let us paint it. I am drawing the hairline where the hair should be. This is our hairline. Okay, now this is dark brown. I am using oil pastels. You can use any color of your choice, whatever you have at home with you, you can use. If you have oil pastels, then very good. I am going to fill this all portion with dark brown. Now there is one more thing we should do before covering this area with brown. We should draw the lips. Now watch it very carefully how I am doing it. I want her to smile. So this portion is long. Okay, this is the upper lip, and now I am going to draw the lower lip. Okay, and so is the line. Fine. Now let us continue with our coloring. Okay, I have roughly colored this area with dark brown. Now I am going to color this area with skin color. I have covered it roughly with skin color. Now I have left a little circular spot here and here, blank. Okay, now I am going to mix this color with white. I will still leave these two areas white. Okay, now as you can see, I have done the white properly on this line. Okay, now I need pink. I will fill this area roughly with pink. I don't need to be in this circular shape. I just roughly filling it. Okay, now smudge it with your finger. It should be very clean, or if you have tissue paper, you can use the tissue paper, fold it nicely and smudge the colors. I have smudged the pink as well with a circular motion of my finger, and I am going to use some white on this pink. I want it a light pink. I think it is fine. See how I am doing it? Do it just like this. Okay. Now I am going to do the lips. Upper lip will be red and the lower lip will be pink. Okay, here I have red. Now I am going to do the upper lip. Now I am going to do the lower lip with pink. Okay, my lips are done. Now I am going to do the shading for this area. I am using a little black, not much, just a little bit. The areas I want to be more dark, I am applying it there. Black pastel color. Now I am again going to smudge it with my finger. Okay, I have smudged the colors. Move your fingers like that. Okay, now it is done. Now we will go for the eyes. To draw the eyes, we will take another paper. We have to just make sure that our eye fits in this area. Okay, to draw a eye, it is simple like this. This is called fish shape. Okay, I have cut the eyes, and now I am going to paste the eyes on the eye line. You can use a brown or black sketch pen or marker pen if you have for the eyes. If you don't have any sketch pen or anything like this, you can simply use the pencil. I am outlining the eyes. Okay, I have outlined the eyes. You can see thicker on the upper side and it is thin on the lower side. Now I am going to draw the balls. Just watch it. Okay, make sure it shouldn't touch this line. I made 3 little tiny circles and I will fill the rest of the area with black. Now I have a green sketch pen. If you don't have a sketch pen, you can use color. You can use oil pastel color or pencil color, whatever you have. If you don't have anything, just let it be black. I have left the circles black. Rest has been filled with little black and green. And I am going to give it a outline with green. Similarly, we will do for the second eye. Okay, the eyes are done. And now I am going to apply a little blue. You can use any blue. I am any light blue color. Just roughly above the eyes on both sides. Now I am going to smudge it with my finger in a circular motion. Okay, I will do the same here. I am smudging the red as well, just trying to make it a little smooth. Okay, now I am going to make the eyebrows. I'm going to use a pencil. Okay, and I am going to fill it with pencil as well. Okay, the eyebrows are done, and now I am going to do the eyelashes. Okay, watch it very carefully and do it neatly. On lower portion there should be just a few one. Similarly I will do for this eye. Okay, now the eyes are done. I want a little outline on the lips, and I will do it with pencil. Just do the corners, little black, dot it with the pencil. Mark the partition of the lips. And sew the upper lip. Don't worry about these things. Use your nail to clean them and then smudge carefully. It will be repaired. Okay, now it is done. Now we will go for the hairs. This is the hairline and I am drawing the hair. I would like her to have a stylish bun. I'm drawing it with pencil. And now for the bun. I am roughly drawing the bun. Okay, and I want a neckline. I have drawn the hair and neck and some dress with something like collar. Okay, now first we will do the hair with brown. Neatly like this. Okay, and now I am going to apply black. Where it is touching the face, it should be quite dark. Okay, similarly we will do this side as well. Again I am going to smudge a little with my fingers. Similarly this side. Now we are going to do the bun first with brown, then with black. Now I am using black, just like this, circular. We can smudge with a round motion here and there as well. We don't need to smudge the whole bun, just here and there, randomly. That's all. Now I'm going to color the neck. We will color the neck first with brown and then with skin color. Rest I am going to do with skin color. Now I have done the skin color as well, and we will smudge a little. The newspaper is peeking beneath the color. It is fine. We want it that way. Okay, let it be so. Now we are going to color the dress. I am going to color it with little brown and green. First I will do roughly with brown, then I will be using green. Now I am using green. Use the green to fill the whites between brown color and apply it on brown as well. It is done. I will just smudge the edges and make them smooth. Okay, it is almost done. Now here is some brown and black. I am just going to pull it here. Okay, similarly this side as well. Go with the shape of the face. Done. Okay, it is done. If you want, we can add something. Give her ears some ornaments. Not much, just little dots. That's all. I think it is fine. So this is the portrait of our lady. So here it is. Enjoy doing it. And you can make a portrait of some man as well. You can try to make some animal with this method as well. Stay in, stay safe. Bye.